In this video, I show you how to make $100 an hour watching YouTube videos, one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do this, we are about to find out. Here's how to make money online by watching YouTube videos. First of all, please subscribe to our channel. And so, whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, I will notify you so that you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, earn more money. Imagine clicking on a YouTube video and watching it for 30 seconds and earning money over and over again. Here are some payment proofs, as you can see here: $15, $60, $25, $10, and 75 cents. And there were literally pages and pages of proof of actual payment. Now, I am very excited to share with you these 4 amazing websites that pay you just for watching YouTube videos. So here's how much money you can make with it. If you start with just one website, you can earn at least $18 per hour. When you use 2 websites, you can earn at least $50 per hour. And when you're using 4 different websites to watch videos, you can earn up to $100 per hour. So I suggest you watch this video completely so that you can know about these 4 websites to maximize your earnings. And don't worry, because all these websites are 100% legit and completely free to join. The best part is that it is available worldwide. Now, before I tell you how you can do this, let me know in the comments what your preferred payment method is. And that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is for you. So leave your favorite payment method in the comments below. And don't forget, I'll give special bonus tips that will allow you to make double, or even triple, the money that other people make. So make sure to stick around and watch all the way to the end. Now, coming to the video. The first website on our list is called YouCubes.com. As you can see here, they have over 700,000 members, and we were founded in 2007. So you basically look at different websites, completing surveys, and more importantly, watching videos, and 20,000 payments have already been sent to people all over the world. To sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click the button where it says sign up free. And it will take you to this page where you can look right here and sign up. It's free. Now all you're going to do is enter your email address, create a password, fill in your full name, username, gender, and date of birth, and select your country of residence by clicking the drop down arrow. So as you can see, they are accepting people from all countries around the world. And I want to know where you're watching it right now. Let me know in the comments section below. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is for you. Now from here, how did you hear about them? You can just type in YouTube, and then just tick I'm not a robot and click register. And from there, you can now watch a simple YouTube video like this for about 30 to 60 seconds and get paid to do so. A shorter video will pay you less, while a longer video will pay you more. As part of the bonus tips, what I usually do is just mute the video and let it play in the background without actively watching it. And usually, I open multiple tabs, and in each tab, I open different videos. By doing this, you can basically make more money and less time. And another thing that I usually do is to use both my smartphone and laptop to watch different videos so that I can also accelerate my earnings. So from there, I want to share with you some YouTube tips that will allow you to watch videos faster. As you can see here, when you click on settings, represented by the gear icon, and then click on playback speed, you can actually double the speed of the video by clicking 2. Or by doing this, you can actually watch the 30-second video in just 15 seconds because the speed is doubled at that point. This is actually a very effective strategy to earn money fast by watching YouTube videos. Another tip I want to share with you is that you can actually lower the video quality as well. As you can see here, by default, it should be automatic, but you can actually choose 144p instead. By doing this, you are going to save data connection, and you will save more time if your internet connection is slow. Now the second website in our list where we can watch videos and earn money is called BucksInside.com. As you can see here, we can pay every 10 seconds. That's what I love about this website. You can watch a very short video like 10 seconds and get paid. The best thing about this website is that you can cash out instantly after reaching the $2 limit. On their website, they literally show you the latest 250 payments they send to people all over the world. As you can see here, they are accepting people from all over the world. They are very transparent when it comes to all the payments they send to people. You can see all usernames with their country flags here. You can also view all payment methods, including PayPal, Air, TM, Coinbase, Perfect Money, Cash Advance, and more. You can also see their total income. For example, let's say this person here has earned a total of $956 just by watching videos on this website, which is just unbelievable. Next, here's this guy's total earnings of $1.479. And he has over $2.385, even over $5.900, which is crazy. This is just from one website. So to get started with BucksInside.com, you need to sign up for a free account. To do that, just click on the register button here. And it will take you to the registration form within the box where you need to create a username. Enter your login or payment email address, and under the referral section, you can leave it blank. And at the very bottom, you need to click on one of the icons to select what they are asking for. This is just to prove that you are not a bot. After that, just click register here. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video that I actually put a lot of time and energy into making, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button with the notification. Make sure to subscribe. And if we get 2,000 likes on this video, I will drop a brand new video next week to show you guys how to make more money online by doing basic things like this from the comfort of your home. Now coming to the video. Now go to the third website called FusionCash.net. The best thing about this website is that they pay you to sign up for a free account. As you can see here, they give you a $5 sign-up bonus 100% free just for signing up for one account. Now all you have to do is click the button where it says to get $5 so you can register for a free account. And then just fill in your username, email address, password, and zip code and just click on the register button. Now one thing to watch out for is that when you verify your email address, make sure you check your inbox for the verification link. After signing up, now you can watch different videos and start earning money. You can complete various tasks, download mobile apps, play games, and refer friends to earn money with FusionCash.net. Now the fourth website in our list where we can watch videos and earn money is called IRAZOO.com. This is definitely a legit website. You can get free gift cards and cash on this website. Now one thing to note is that you can earn points not only by watching videos but also by downloading apps, taking paid surveys, completing offers, and playing games. Now, to start making money with IRAZOO, you need to sign up for a free account. To do this, just click on the button where it says Start. And now, if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below for how to earn $6,000 just by copying and pasting, which is the best way to earn money online. Any previous even without experience.